In today's fast-moving digital world, working with AI isn't just smart, it's essential. But many people still don't know where to begin. ChatGPT is your creative thinker. It's best for writing, ideation, learning, and explaining. Ask it to write a blog post, summarize an article, or generate video ideas, and it responds in natural conversation. Copilot, on the other hand, works inside your favorite Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and Edge. It's designed to take what you've created and format it, analyze it, or turn it into a polished, professional output, right where you're working. But to get the best results, you need the right input. Many people struggle with prompts because they think AI needs perfect instructions. It doesn't. Here's the secret. Be clear, be specific, and speak with purpose. Instead of saying, "Help me," say, "Write an Instagram caption about future tech for a beginner audience." Want a summary? Say, "Summarize this text in 3 points," with a friendly tone. The more context you give, audience, style, length, the better the output. Let's bring that to life. A student typed, "Explain climate change in simple terms for 10th grade," into ChatGPT, then opened Copilot in Word to format it into a clean presentation with headlines. Another user asked ChatGPT to write an Instagram strategy for handmade jewelry, then used Copilot in Excel to auto-generate a content calendar with dates and topics. By the end of this video, you'll know not just what these tools can do, but how to guide them effectively. Whether you're creating videos, running a business, or just trying to organize your day, AI can become your silent creative partner. So don't worry about choosing between Copilot and ChatGPT. Learn how to use them together, and let Ashok Tech News show you how, one smart, no-code step at a time.